Hello, everyone. Welcome to Python Challenge for All. Okay, so what shall we do today? Today's it's another topic, lesson 111, image crawling. What does image crawling mean? Crawling means to collect images from the web, internet, using icrawler. Okay, so let's directly go into what we want to do. For example, we want to uh, collect images of, say, tiger or rocket or, yeah, sky tree, yeah, something like that. So, given any keyword, we can do image crawling just like we do search engines, okay, to collect images, related images. So, okay, let's try that using Python and iCrawler. So, first thing is install packages. We will use IPython. Let's see, yeah, Google Collaboratory. So again, let's make a box here to and give a title as, say, image crawling. Okay. So what we're gonna do today first is to install non-standard package iCrawler. Okay. So pip. So what we need exclamation mark first, exclamation mark, then pip install iCrawler. Okay, this is all. And run it. Okay. Uh, so it will go to the internet and get iCrawler package and install it on this um, IPython, the collaboratory environment. So what's next? Import from iCrawler dot built-in import Google image crawler. So iCrawler has several search engines, but today we're going to use Google image crawler. Okay, from iCrawler dot built-in built-in uh, import Google image crawler. Okay. Um, for future use, we will also import actually pathlib from pathlib, import path starting with upper P. Okay. Then what shall we do? Import pathlib. Okay. From pathlib, import path. Good. So, thing is, we need to instantiate a crawler so to do the work. So it's like this. We instantiate crawler. The first thing is we need to define a search word, keyword. So let's try keyword of, say, tiger first, for example. Okay, tiger. Good. Then, so crawler equals Google image crawler and storage equals. So we'll make a folder named tiger and then hold it under root deal colon. Yeah, actually we need curly bracket here. Curly bracket root deal and say swd. Okay, this is a kind of trick to save the file in swd folder, okay, which is tiger folder. And this is for making uh, the instantiation. So let's try it. So first, we need to prepare the save folder using pathlib module, okay? So we need to make kind of save deal, okay? So let's call it save deal equals tiger, SWD. Ah, that's right. We'd better make it this way. So we define save deal as SWD, and this should be save deal. Okay, so it will be saved under the root position, save deal. Okay, and then that's for instantiation. Now, search word and number. Crawler dot crawl and keyword equals search word, and maxnum equals, for example, if we want 4 images, it's like this. So let's try it anyway. Crawler dot crawl. Okay, this is the method, and keyword equals SWD. Okay, which is tiger actually, and also maxnum. So that's how we can control the crawling. Okay, we want 4 images. Actually, this is all. Okay, so first let's check that the folder files are kind of empty, right? Except for the sample data, which is empty. Oh, no, no, no. It's about, we don't use them. So anyway, let's try to run it. Okay, run it. Oh, there's something wrong. Storage, sorry. Storage. I made a misspelling. Storage. Okay, let's run it. Okay. Oh, it says error. But actually, it's working usually. Okay, now a folder named Tiger comes out. And then inside it, let's take a look at inside. There are 4 JPEG files down here. Okay, actually, this was, although there is error message, kind of, the download was success. We now have 4 files. Let's click one by one. So if you double click this, we have first image tiger, second one. Yeah, likewise, you can check all of 4 to see that all they are tiger images. Okay, this is fun, right? You can try yourself for other variations like, say, spaceship or anything you like. Okay? This is a very useful capability to collect images from the internet using some keyword specification. Okay, actually this is all. So next time we will see how to display the images using Matplotlib. Be sure to come back. Bye bye.